everyone. I am Mr. Akriti Mittal, Assistant Professor, Department of MBA in IIMT College of Digital Creativity. Today, my topic of presentation is digital marketing. So first, let us understand what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is marketing that makes use of electronic devices such as computers, tablets, smartphones, cell phones, digital billboards to engage with consumers and other business partners. The marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers. While the internet is perhaps the channel most closely associated with digital marketing, others include wireless text messaging, mobile instant messaging, mobile apps, podcast, electronic billboards, and radio channels, etc. The key objective is to promote brands, build preference, and increase sales through various digital marketing techniques. So in this slide, you can see the image of a famous search engine Google, who is giving blessing to the today's era customer, who is actually this today era customer is actually paying the gratitude and is being grateful to the Google and is saying that in this digital age, Guru Purnima, thank you for everything. I search and you give me the unconditional sea of information. Digital marketing is the process of building and maintaining customer relationship through online activities to generate a sales or capture a customer that are searching on the internet for answers, like what is being viewed, how often and for how long, sales conversion, what content works and doesn't work, etc. Why should I take digital marketing seriously? So whether you are ready or not, marketing has already changed. People's behavior have changed. They are tuning out traditional marketing tactics. The old marketing methods are not getting the results. This is where digital marketing comes in. So when you use digital marketing, customers come to you. Think about it. So this slide is talking about the two era, the pre-internet era when there was no internet, and today era, which is the era of the internet. So in the pre-internet era, buyer was relatively uninformed. Relatively uninformed means there was no as such digital modes of communication by which marketeer can easily in just one click away can reach to the customer. So buyer was relatively uninformed that what new product or what new services are coming into the market. What are the changes? They were not that much informed. But in today's era, where there is an era of internet, where you a consumer can use n number of search engines to search about the particular product or services, buyer is well informed because the marketeer is reaching to the customers in a very short time about their new product or services coming into the market. In the pre-internet era, buyer journey was linear. It all started, they used to go and buy the product or take the services because so and so neighbor, so and so relative, or whatever they used to heard from XYZ person residing near to their place or their family members, they go and purchase the product directly to the retailer, they go and purchase the product. But in today's era, the buyer journey is not linear. It is random. It starts with the Google. Whenever these days, the today customer, whenever they got to know about anything, about any product or about any event or about any services, they actually start their searching through the Google. Through the search engines, they use n number of search engines, but the famous search engine which majority of the customers use is the Google. So their journey, first thing they do is they take out their mobile out, they use their websites or internet to search what is the particular product about. They search it on the Google. So their journey is random. It is not linear. Earlier, in the pre-internet era, the marketing playbook, that is the strategy of the marketeer to reach the consumers, that is the marketing playbook, was the cold calls and advertising. That is the traditional methods. Cold calls, when the marketeer used to call their consumers and inform about the so and so product and so market in the customer and ask them to purchase it. That is also used in these days as well. But in today's era, this is not the only mean of communication to reach out to the customer. Today, the marketing playbook, the strategy of the marketeer to reach out to the customer is a thought leadership through content creation. Because today, the marketeers is reaching various means of communications, like they have their own websites, they have their social networking sites, they have their blogs, etc. to reach out to their customers. So it is the thought leadership through content creation. Moving on to the another slide, that is objectives of digital marketing. Reach the right audience, engage with your audience, motivate your audience to take action,
Ensure efficient spreading on your campaign. Now, campaign is the series of advertising events which the marketeer is using to reach out to their customers. It is the way how they are advertising about their particular product or services to the consumers. Maximize return on investment. So these are the objectives of digital marketing. Moving on to the next slide, which is the difference between the traditional marketing and the digital marketing. Now, the debate continues as to whether digital marketing is overpowering and suppressing traditional marketing or not. Many think that for the most part, digital marketing has taken over and traditional marketing barely exists. Recent occurrences such as magazine, Newsweek switching to digital, totally digital publications causes ripples throughout the marketing arena. Now, traditional marketing is the conventional modes of marketing that have been used since the beginning of marketing and advertisement. This includes newspaper, magazines, flyers and brochures, radio, TV ads, and billboards. What is digital marketing? We have already discussed what is digital marketing in the initial slides of this presentation. Now, advantages and disadvantages of traditional marketing. The major advantage of traditional marketing was finding ads in magazines, newspapers, or reading billboards are still familiar activities and still people do them all the time. They are old, but they are still trusted. And it is a long-term one. The disadvantages of traditional marketing: results are not easily measured, static, not the major ways to interact with the audience. Ads in newspapers, TV, and radio comes with limited duration. You have to wait for weeks and it is a longer response time. Whereas the advantages of digital marketing, it is budget friendly as even new entrepreneurs can afford. A well-maintained website with quality content reaches out to the entire world. And the disadvantages of digital marketing, it can take some time to realize measurable success and a short term, because day by day the technology is changing, day by day the taste and preferences of the consumers is changing, and day by day the digital marketing is getting updated. So it is definitely the one of the disadvantage as well, that it is the short term. Another advantages of digital marketing is that you can see everything in real time, including number of visitors, most active time of the day, conversion rate, bounce rate. Now, by the term conversion rate, we understand whenever the consumer is on the website of the marketeer of any product or services, and whenever they are purchasing that particular product or taking that particular services, whenever there is a purchase on that particular website, that is the sale conversion rate. Those rates are known as a conversion rate. Whereas a bounce rate, when there is no sale conversion, when the consumer is going to the website, is reaching the website but not making any purchase, not giving any order. So that is the bounce rate. The continuing with the disadvantages of digital marketing, it's becoming a lot harder to capture consumers' attention, exploding data volumes, larger data, difficult to extract, quickly response time. Now, benefits of digital marketing over traditional marketing: put the consumers in control, provide convenience, drives brand loyalty, reduces selling cycle, builds your brand, measurable, cost effective, increases satisfaction. Now, the topic is types of digital marketing. The first one is the search engine marketing. It is defined as gaining traffic and visibility from search engines through both unpaid and paid efforts. When that visibility increasing traffic is done through the unpaid form, that is SEO, that is search engine optimization, and when it is done through the paid efforts, it is search advertising. Search engine optimization. First, let us study what is SEO. SEO is the first and one of the strongest type of digital marketing is search engine optimization, that is SEO. Process of affecting the online visibility of a website or a web page in a web search engines, example Google, Yahoo, Bing, etc. Process of maximizing the number of visitors to a particular website by ensuring that the site appear high on the list of results, earning traffic through unpaid or free listing. Now, there is a diagram below on this slide, which is saying be on number one on Google. Google is again the famous search engine, but we are talking about the every search engine. So search engine optimization is that whenever the traffic is through coming in an organic way, it is coming through the unpaid one, that is the search engine optimization. Now moving on to the search marketing. Search marketing is buying traffic through paid search listings. Display advertising. It refers to act of communicating the advertising message, usually visually rich media, can be text, image, flash, audio, video, etc. Display advertising is very powerful in creating awareness as it is a push medium and hence can be shown on website with huge traffic to reach maximum efforts. Mode of communication may be through traditional media, that is print and TV, digital media, ad both via mobile and website. So you can see this images of the digital media. I have marked with the red pen that what are the display ads, mobile display ads or display ads. Now, traditional media, we have already studied it, that the magazines, newspapers and all, these are the traditional media. Now, moving on to the another type of digital marketing, that is pay per click. Pay per click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Every time company ad is clicked, sending a visitor to the website, advertiser have to pay the search engine a small fee, also known as cost per click, that is CPC. It is a very cost effective method to get your website noticed by your target audience. Now, what is social media marketing? Social media marketing is actually very famous these days, and it is one of the most major type of digital marketing which is used by the marketeer to reach out to their consumers. Social media marketing utilizes social networking websites as a marketing tool. The goal of social media marketing is to produce content that users will share with their social network to help a company increase brand exposure and broaden customer reach. Example, Twitter is a social site designed to let people share short messages or updates with others. Facebook, in contrast, is a full-blown social networking site that allows for sharing updates, photos, joining events, and a variety of other activities. So there are many examples for it. Like these days, what consumer marketers are doing, they are making the good advertisements. They're making the good advertisement which is giving some good message, especially some social message kind of things, which the social media users like it, and they actually share that particular advertisement on their social media, on their Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter, everywhere. Like we can take the example of the Biba. Biba has made one of the advertisement where they are talking about the social cause about dowry system. So people have loved that video because of the message it is giving, which is a beautiful message related to the dowry system. And because of that thing, they have shared the Biba video on their social media channels, on their social media page, and it got viral. That is the use of social media marketing, where people are sharing it because they like the message in that particular advertisement. So whenever you share something on a social media, that is the social media marketing. Social media marketing, it is beneficial for the marketer because it increases the visibility, connectivity, and it also increases the branding. Now, the branches of this tree is showing the various modes of social media: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google Plus, which is actually uh, which is a platform of the which is social media channels. Now, moving on to the another type of digital marketing, which is email marketing. Email marketing is a form of direct marketing that uses electronic mail, which is a means of communicating messages to an audience. In its broadest sense, every email sent to a potential or current customers could be considered email marketing. It offers to keep updating the email subscribers on daily basis about your company. Affiliate marketing: join, promote, and earn. The diagram in itself is explaining it. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing, is like referring someone to buy the particular or multiple number of products online. Whenever the user purchases the product, the owner of the particular website gets money like as a commission. Offer rewards and bonus, paying commission for referred business, place banner or test links on their sites. Another one is the referral marketing. This is the referral marketing is a method of promoting products or services to new customers through referrals, using usually word of mouth. This is the most oldest but most trusted marketing strategy. There was one slide in the initial presentation of this was in the pre-internet era, where we talked about that buyer's journey was actually linear because they used to believe more on the word of mouth. That was the only mode of communication with them. So, but today this has not got, this is the oldest but the most trusted marketing strategy. The diagram is explaining it, why we love these referral marketing. There's one girl who is very happily telling about certain product or services to his friend or sister, whatever you can say. And that person is very happily listening to that thing in this picture. This is particularly the referral marketing where you believe on the word of mouth. Another one is the viral marketing. Another type of digital marketing is viral marketing, a method of marketing whereby consumers are encouraged to share information about the company's goods or services via internet. Viral marketing is posting something that's funny, trendy, and strange enough to collect a huge number of shares online. Now, this diagram is explaining what is viral marketing, where this person is saying, I have to send this to Jeff because he liked something. He liked because something is very funny or very meaningful. He has shared that particular video or audio or that link or page to his friend or to someone he to someone he know, and that is gone viral. That viral marketing is reaching that particular video or reaching that thing has gone viral because it reached n number of customers in a less number of a time. That is the viral marketing. Now, mobile marketing. Mobile marketing is a multi-channel digital marketing strategy aimed at reaching a target audience on their smartphones, tablets, or other mobile devices via website, email, SMS, and MMS, social media, and apps. Mobile marketing is promotional activity designed to delivery to cell phones, smartphones, other handheld devices, usually as a component of multi-channel campaign. Mobile is disrupting the way people engage with brands. Everything that can be done on desktop computer is now available on a mobile device. From opening an email to visiting the website to reading the content, it's all accessible through a small mobile screen. Consider some facts about it, that 80% of the internet, majority of the internet users are smartphone. Mobile has suppressed desktop. Now, types of mobile marketing, app-based marketing. This is mobile advertising involving mobile apps. Google Ad Mob help advertisers create mobile ads that appear within third-party mobile apps. In-game mobile advertising refers to mobile ads that appear within mobile games. In-game ads can appear as banner, pop-ups, full image ads. You can see in the image below in between while playing the game. Now, another type of mobile marketing is location-based marketing. Location-based marketing, that is LMS, is a direct marketing strategy that uses a mobile device location to alert the device owners about an offering from a nearby business. Example, any supermarket chain found you nearby, they will automatically receive target ads and special offers based on their purchasing history. That is via GPS technology. Another one is the proximity marketing via Bluetooth. In other words, if you have a cell phone in the proximity of a marketing broadcast, you would be able to receive a message or advertisement. SMS marketing involves capturing a user's phone number and sending them test offers. Voice marketing, integrated voice response, interactive voice response, that is IVR, a technology that automates interaction with telephone callers. Voice broadcasting calls numbers from a computer managed list and plays a pre-recorded message to the call recipient or answering machine. Thank you very much. This was all about today. Thank you.